mineral development. This is a key underpinning for everything that we at Hunter Dickinson do, and I can tell you the prior operators of this project, prior to us arriving, have done a fantastic job with it. And one of our, in our due diligence review, we always look at, what are we getting from prior operators? And this project, before we became involved in it, last year was awarded the Alaska Commissioner's Award for Social and Environmental Performance. And we've stepped into a project that's of the highest quality from an environmental management and community engagement standpoint. So we're stepping in, enhancing a few things along what we describe as the Hunter Dickinson way, and we look forward to maintaining a strong relationship with the state of Alaska. But it's a project in excellent shape. We are earning a 70% interest in this project. With the expenditure of $25 million and the completion of a feasibility study, we will earn that 70%. We have a little over $15 million in the Treasury today. And one of the hallmarks of a Hunter Dickinson program is that when we get involved with a project where the project warrants an aggressive, substantial program to move the project forward quick and aggressively, but obviously within the right confines of responsible mineral development, we do so. And although we have a 3-year opportunity for the expenditure of the first $15 million, that will happen a lot quicker than the option earning agreement allows for, and we'll see us earning our interest in this project on a fairly quick timeline. We've put together a graphic here to show the kind of values that can be attained and grown very quickly in a project of this nature. On the left-hand side of the graphic, we have an incremental value scale, and on the bottom we have a gross metal value per ton scale. And the point to be made is that as you are building tons in these type of projects, VMS projects, in the $300 per gross metal, the $300 gross metal value per ton range and above, very quickly your opportunity or the value proposition, the value of your resource grows exponentially. Probably, at least for me, one of the key data points on this graphic is the one little black dot that says increase in capitalization, the Heatherdale diamond hole. It's a black dot just above our far right-hand side red star. That is a drill hole, or represents a drill hole that was announced by Hudson's Bay back in September of this year, that was a 35-meter intercept of roughly $580 gross metal value rock. That drill hole and that discovery increased the market capitalization of Hudson's Bay by about $290 million that day. We expect to be announcing drill holes that are not going to be significantly different from that over the course of this next program, and both hole 28 and 27 have significant intercepts of rock that is in excess of that $580 value. Again, the point to be made here from a value proposition, the opportunity in this project for Heatherdale, as we're building tons in this higher gross metal value per ton range and adding growing tons, it can have a significant impact on the short-term, near-term value of Heatherdale resources. Earlier in the presentation, we talked about the operating team, the technical team that is working on this project on a day-to-day basis. Lena, Mark, Dr. Oliver, and Dr. Roberts. From a executive standpoint, I am the chairman of this company. David Copeland, my partner here at Hunter Dickinson, is the president and CEO. Bob Dickinson, one of my partners here at Hunter Dickinson, is going to be a very hands-on director in this company. And then a slate of independent directors that fill out the directorship and the executive group in this company. Point to be made here is one of the things that we've done over the 25 years we've been together and been having success in this industry. My partners and I have always been significant equity holders, shareholders in the companies we're involved in. That's how we make our money. we just recently, in the last couple of weeks, closed about a $14.4 million financing for Heatherdale. My partners and I and a couple of our key management and project people took roughly a third of that financing ourselves. There was a financing done at $1. We have a significant equity stake in this company. The only way my partners and I and all of our shareholders make money is by us making this company successful and having the share price go up on the back of that success. So we are very enthusiastic and have high hopes and aspirations for this project. Stay tuned. Very aggressive drill program and development program. We'll follow that, and expect to be delivering good news and another successful project for the Hunter Dickinson Group to our shareholders. So that concludes my presentation. I want to thank you all for joining us and encourage all of you to take this opportunity and post any questions you may have about the company. For those of you who are watching this presentation at its scheduled time, please begin posting your questions now. For those of you watching this presentation outside of our scheduled times, please post your questions now and check back later for our responses. Thank you very much.